Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of cutting-edge gadgets that'll revolutionize your workflow. Today, I'm super stoked to be reviewing the Corsair AI Workstation 300, a beast of a machine that's specifically designed for AI developers and professionals who need raw power and flexibility. First off, let's talk about its compact form factor. This thing is like a superhero in disguise, packing 4.4 liters of performance into an ultra-compact package that's perfect for working with local LLMs, large language models, or creative projects. The Corsair AI Workstation 300 is literally built to keep up with your most demanding tasks, whether you're building chatbots, generating AI art, or running machine learning algorithms. Now, let's talk about the brain of this operation, the AMD Ryzen AI Max 300 series processor. This thing is a powerhouse, folks. With configurations all the way up to the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 and an impressive 96 GB of variable graphics memory, you've got more than enough oomph to tackle even the most complex projects. The graphics technology itself is based on the Radeon 3.5 architecture. That's just plain cool, right? Think of it like a super powerful video game processor for your computer. But here's where things get really interesting. The XDNA2 NPU, Neural Processing Unit, takes AI acceleration to the next level. With up to 50 TOPS, tera operations per second, you'll be able to process massive amounts of data in a flash, perfect for training machine learning models, running computer vision algorithms, or even just doing some fancy image editing. Of course, we can't forget about memory, which is where the unified LPDDR5X memory comes in. This feature ensures that your system has flexible, high-bandwidth performance at its fingertips. That means you can focus on creating without worrying about whether your machine will get bogged down by tasks like video editing or 3D modeling. One of my favorite features of this workstation is the Corsair AI software suite. Think of it like a super smart workflow assistant that helps you streamline your projects and stay organized. With tools like AI-powered content creation, engineering, and collaboration, this system truly has everything you need to power through even the most ambitious projects. But safety and security are just as important as raw performance. That's why Corsair engineered this workstation with multiple layers of built-in security technology. From chip-to-cloud protection against sophisticated attacks to advanced dual-fan cooling that keeps your machine running smoothly, we're talking about a system that cares about you, the user. So there you have it, the Corsair AI Workstation 300 is an incredible piece of hardware that's designed specifically for professionals who need the best. With its cutting-edge specs, flexible performance, and top-notch security features, this thing checks all the boxes. Want to get your hands on one? Head below to check out the link in our description. Trust me, it's worth every penny.